It's me again. It's really quiet today. I feel a little bored. I wonder what I can do. What's this neat thing? It moves. Oh, wow, this is really fun. It keeps going and going. Oh, look. That's a lot of paper. I didn't mean to make such a big mess. Well, I sure wish someone could help me. I sure wish Mom was home already. I need help. Oh, thank goodness. I'm happy you're back. Maybe I can fix it. I can try. I can help fix what I do. And Mommy helped me too. We can fix things together. I'm so lucky. See you on the next adventure. Bye-bye for now.